Hey everybody! Today I'll be doing an unboxing, or really an unbubbling, of these bubble packages from Calligraphy by Lindsey, and also a package from, I'm not sure to be honest, there's no shop name, but it's from Australia, so it will be a surprise for all of us. So I'll go ahead and start with the Calligraphy by Lindsey. And I don't know if y'all know this, but pro tip is to not use scissors with these packages, because I'll definitely rip something that you're not, or cut something up that you don't mean to. Ooh. Oh my gosh. What else is in here? That's it. So this was the pre-order of the holographic pen case, and with the custom name on it, and also with the bow clips. Combine the words together. I think this was $13.75, and I did put capital R for Robin, so this must be her capital R. I'm not sure. Go ahead and open that. So pretty. Does it? I don't know if it has a flat bottom. It doesn't, but it does have a stretchy side. So, oh, okay, that must be where it flattens out, something like that. I was making some funny sounds. Ooh, look at these bow clips though. So pretty. Wow. And that's the back of the card. So yeah, I think possibly she put a lowercase r instead of a capital R, which I requested, but that's okay. I still like it. I think this fits a lot of stuff. Let me try. 1 second. Okay, I just grabbed a bunch of pens, and I'm gonna see if this fits. Wow, it does. That's cool. Yay. So that's really good. Oh, I love how pretty it is. I love holographic. I'm struggling a little bit here. I might have put too much. I'll take a few out. Okay, now it closes. So that's what it looks like, fully packed. It's a good amount of pens in there, and I have a Sharpie in there as well. So that's really cool. All right, I will move on to the next thing. Put these over here. All right, the next one's from the mysterious package in Australia. Let's see what's in here. It's stuck. No. Oops, sorry, hit the tripod. Okay, awesome. It's from Fox and Cactus. Oh, it has an enamel pen. Very cool. So go ahead and open this up. Put that over here. I hate tearing these beautiful stickers, but I don't have undo. I probably should order that next time on Amazon. I like that she puts cardboard, really thick cardboard back there to make sure it stays nice and straight. This is the enamel pin. I love it so much. It reminds me of my dog who passed away, but his name was Firefox, and it just looks like him because he likes sleeping. So cute. And that's the rubber backing. Very cool. And we'll go ahead and go through the stickers. Start from the top. A little freebie. Salty AF. I love her hands are just like whatever. Sprinkling some salt. Chewbacca. Oh, I love the little note. That's cute. And a wild shore appeared. I just had to get these stickers. I love games. I just thought that was hilarious. It's like, uh-oh, I have the chores. All right. And this one is, I think, travel focus. Yep. I wish I looked that peaceful on the plane. I just try to pass out and I just end up rocking into the chair or the person. So I feel really bad. If y'all have any travel pillow recommendations, please let me know. I love this because it's like the This Is Fine dog comic, but their version. I don't know if this is a pin, but if it was, I would definitely buy it because I think it's hilarious. And this one for summer. Gets really hot here, so I can relate to that one especially. Very, very cool. I really don't know why I bought this one, but it's pretty funny. I guess she's really proud of her squats and her booty. I haven't worked out in a long time, but maybe this will motivate me too. And those duck lips though, they're really funny. This one I had to get because I get sick a lot and have bad allergies, and people have joked that I need a little bubble around me because I just get sick very, very quick if someone around me is also sick. So I'll be using these quite a lot. And then also, yeah, I guess I was in the mood for motivating myself to work out because there's also this one. It's hilarious because I hate cardio. I'm not really sure how I got that one. Oh wow, this is hilarious. I don't have to explain what this means, hopefully. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. I saw a meme recently and it had the eggplant and 2 feet emojis, and I'm not really sure what that meant. So if anyone knows, please let me know. I thought these were amazing. Living my best life. I'm awesome. Forecast, you know, I did the thing. So I really like these, super motivational. I honestly should have bought more of these, but I forgot to mention this paper is super duper soft. Like, I know everyone calls it unicorn paper, but it's just so soft. It's like that really nice packaging plastic. I don't know if y'all ever go to the grocery store and you get those nice sauces and then bottles, but they have that nice plastic soft feel. This is awesome too. You know, when you get to rage quit or you're really angry at the people online gaming with you. Not too many of those. Oh, they're at the bottom. There we go. But most of the time, pretty chill, and everyone thinks I'm a 10-year-old when I'm talking online. And I'm like, I'm not a 10-year-old boy. And this one is hilarious. I love this one. She's just happily riding on her unicorn, flicking people off. Hopefully her haters and no one else. I just think these are hilarious. You get a lot of stickers for this sheet. And then this one, yeah, for when people are like bad drivers or just really rude to like servers and things like that. Yeah, these come in handy. That mean top bun though. And I don't know if you notice, it's like her top bun becomes unraveled here when she's flicking them off hardcore. I thought that was hilarious because the rest of it is in a top bun. This one, yeah, I guess I must have been in an exercise mood because I bought more exercise ones, but this is definitely me. I'm dead in sweat. I sweat within 30 seconds of starting anything. Oh gosh, that's hilarious. And this one is, look at that face for massaging. Oh, these are hilarious. I'm really happy about these. Oh, that's so funny. I guess this is for massage, but why is she cringing? I don't know. That must be a hardcore massage. Definitely not a Swedish one. This one is for laundry. I do not like laundry, so this is hilarious. Mount Foldmore. Help me. She's buried under there. It's so funny. And socks. Oh my gosh. Socks are a pain in my butt because I always lose them. I don't know how. I even put it in a mesh bag and somehow lose them. It's kind of weird. Very mysterious. And of course I had to get the Deadpool version of flicking people off. I thought that was so funny. Oh my gosh. Wait, let me do a side by side so y'all can see. I don't know if y'all care. I will show you anyways. Here's a side by side for scale. Got different unicorn hair, so I thought that was awesome. And then this one is for groceries. I absolutely hate going to the grocery store. It stresses me out. But when I do, I definitely do the one trip. I'm not as happy as her. Maybe one day I'll be very happy going to the grocery store. And this one, me and my boyfriend love to play games like on the Switch, Mortal Kombat, Division, things like that. So this is definitely cute, and I would love to mark our dates when we do gaming. And I'm not sure, to be honest, what I'll be using this for, but I love the gaming theme. Maybe for a good checkup. I don't know. Something like that. This one I feel like is after my long 12-hour work days. It's me super exhausted. I had to get these. The wow. Sheba. Love how funny it looks. So funny. I love that not all of them have the word wow. I don't know what else you'd put on there, but much amazed maybe, or something like that. And the one with the dogs, I love this one so much. That's me anytime I see dogs out and about or go to the dog park. Animals are just the best. I really don't know why I got this one. I must have been super tired or something. I don't remember buying this one, but I don't know why she's naked in her birthday suit. That's so funny. But she even has a beanie on, so I don't know why I got that. I know I got this one though. I definitely want to start boxing. I think it's a great workout while learning a skill. It's very important. So this is why I wanted to get these stickers to remind myself to go to class. And these, I like these as well, to just note the tiny ones in life and focus on the good things. So I wanted to put that as well, and I like how they're all the same size. And very cute little journaling card that's super duper adorable. I think there are pen versions of these. And then, oh look, she included the fox journal card. Thank you so much, Emma. I really appreciate that. Yeah, thank you so much, Emma, and thank you, Lindsay. This was amazing. I can't wait to put this all up and start using it, or even hoard them. I don't know. We'll see. But thank you so much for watching. I will link everything below. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.